In this video, I will show you how to remove permanently Grammarly extension from your Chrome browser. So if you installed before and you want to remove permanently Grammarly from your Google Chrome, so two way. First method, right click on this Grammarly icon and click on remove from Chrome. It will ask permission, remove Grammarly for Chrome. Click on remove. And another method, click on this three dot, more tools, and in this list click on extensions. So you can access this page. Here you can remove. Just click on remove and again click on remove. Now close your Chrome and reopen So this is the basic way guys to remove and delete Grammarly extension from your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.